We're gonna take this truck to the beach tomorrow to do a little work on some salt sheds. See if we can whip up a ladder rack real quick. I don't want to pull a trailer just to get the ladders down there. I'm gonna make a little high lift jack mount in addition to the new ladder rack. We got the ladder racks finished. Of course, it took longer than expected, but they drop into these tubes that we welded to the back. Some little hooks down here. And then we have some additional pieces up here where we can remove that back one to put it in the front. Some little gussets that you can put a strap on. I think they'll work. We also added the high lift jack mount while we were at it. Get it up out of the bed floor. I had to shim these back brackets a little bit, but it works pretty good. I don't know what those brackets are for, but they work great for the high lift.